important topic as per as your exam point of view. You can expect some question on epsilon non-deterministic finite automata, which is an extension of NFA only. It is not having any other extra feature as compared to NFA. It is only one symbol as included, as much as similar to the NFA only. Only thing is we will be using some epsilon over there. Is it very easier to construct as compared to NFA called as a NFA. For example, I have to clear your doubt is more on epsilon NFA and NFA. I'll take one of the example. So I have to clearly explain it. Suppose n number of A's such that n is even or divisible by 3. How do you construct this? So there is a two condition is there. N should be is even or it should be divisible by 3. N is even means, so what is a n? There is a n is 1, it is 0. Then n is 1, it is a only 1, it is a hard. N is 2, there is a even, right? That means it is accepting even number of A's. It is divisible 3 means then it may be 3, n is a 3 or 6 or 9. So then it accepting which is divisible by 3. There are two cases. How do you do that? I have constructed already. Look at this. I have taken P as a initial state. First you have to look the first case of n is even. As I told you in the introduction itself, whenever you want to change a state from one state to other state, if there is no input, still you can able to transit from one state to other state on epsilon symbol. So that is I have created. So here it is Q. Suppose n is 0, still move to this. So suppose A is even. Is it accepting? It is a even. A first it will come this, then it will go to A, come back. So even number of A's is accepting. Similarly, in this case, which is divisible by 3. Look at this. A, minimum string is A. Similarly, it can 6A. A. Right? So, first 3A is accepting. In second row also accepting 3A's. So, that means finally reached to the final state only. It is accepted. Only thing what I am going to wanted to clear here, you can satisfy the two condition. N is even. Suppose n is even, it will go to this path, right? Or is n is divisible by 3, which will go to this path, right? Both the condition you can satisfy while constructing a epsilon n.